perform another example, but this example is quite interesting where I'm going to read the temperature and humidity value based on this AHT. AHT ni adalah salah satu sensor lah. So I can go to the file, example, and then inside here I got the Adafruit AHTX. Okay, so I got the AHT10 and also AHTXO. So Adafruit, from the Adafruit lah. Kalau siapa-siapa yang gunakan Adafruit ni, so I probably might want to choose the AHTX0 Adafruit AHT test. Okay, this is the basic example to test about my I2C testing lah. So this is a simple sketch, include Adafruit. Adafruit, initialize it into the item name as the AHT, and then serial begin. Pardon? Yeah, this is AHT20. And then after that, we can see this is the void loop to initialize the sensor, and then this is the function to call and get the event lah, with regard to the calling of the parameters. Okay, macam biasa, go to the tools. Macam mana nak pergi Adafruit? You can go to the sketch, you can go to the include library, you can go to the manage library. And then after that, you can find out the AHT. Anda kalau nak cari library yang saya cari ni, if you want to find out where is the library is belong to, how to install it, inside your example is not available. For example kan dalam you punya contoh tak ada, so you might want to install it from the library manager. Macam mana nak pergi library manager? Sketch, include library, library manager. Okay, dekat dalam tu anda boleh search numbers of multiple repositories yang ada. Okay, saya nak tunjuk semua, takut nanti saya punya komputer ni hang. So, hopefully, apa dah? Hopefully dia tak hang lah. Sensor. So, the last sensor I want to share with you is the sensor of the particulate. So, the particulate sensor is under the Adafruit also. This one, Adafruit PM25 AQI sensor test. Okay, this is the example. Okay, I'm going to use the serial communication. So there are two types of communication. The first one is the software serial, and then the another one is the hardware serial. So if you are using the hardware serial, you need to change according to your preference lah. So contoh kat sini, saya pakai software serial, and therefore I'm going to attach it at the pin 16 and 17. Okay. And then I'm going to initialize the software serial, followed by another one. Software serial is 16 and 17. 16, 17. And then I'm going to initialize also the PM serial. This one. PM serial. And then disable this one and enable this one. Kalau tak faham nanti tengok je lah video ni. Okay. Cara nak disable and enable is just comment it or uncomment it. This is how you want to choose lah. Which one And then after that, I'm going to upload the sketch. So after uploading the sketch, then the particulate matter sensor are going to be operated. Kalau tak menyala, if unable to be detected, therefore I need to change to the number 17. Sama ada nombor 16 ataupun nombor 17. So siapa-siapa yang nak pakai PMS sensor ni, particulate matter sensor ni, you can also ask me to help you with the cable lah Nanti cable kena solder here and there, and then saya kena bantu kamu lah untuk buat supaya dia tegap kat situ. So, to combine. Okay, to combine the sketch, I got here the sketch for air quality, the sketch for the gases, and then the sketch for the yang last tadi, yang mula-mula kita belajar tu, is what we call it as an analog read. So I'm going to combine these three sensor. Lepas kita belajar combine sensor, and I will help all of you together. Sebab saya dah bagi tahu, the first step to test one by one. After you test one by one, each of the sensor is run smoothly. Then you combine it one by one, and after you combine it, make sure everything is going to be represented and visualized inside your serial monitor. So mari saya tunjukkan yang paling basic tadi, analog read serial. So I got 3 sketch over here. So the first one is for the gases, which is we call it as Adafruit underscore AGS02MA. And then I got another one, which is the AQI sensor, air quality sensor. Okay, first kali kena ada blank sketch. So this is the blank sketch I have here. Okay, second, save your blank sketch. Usually saya tengok student semua susah nak savekan nama tu. Give the descriptive name with regard to your project. Example, ESP32 underscore IAQ meter. Okay, so this is the first version. Kalau version 1 tulis itu V1 lah. And so on and so forth. Okay, next one. Please insert your library. Ni saya dah tekan butang save tadi kan. And then the first step is basically input your library. Insert your apa tadi? Library. Okay, what kind of library available? You might want to find it out on your example. Okay, yang ini saya tutup dulu. So, kita akan pergi yang pertama. PMS. Ada library tak? Ada. Include Adafruit PM25AQI.h. Whoever use the PMS 5003, siapa yang pakai 5003, you might find some difficulty to use this library. You might want to find another alternative lah. Di bawah electronicclinic.com. Nanti boleh tengok lah kat situ. So, this is the example of the library. Copy the library. Buat satu-satu tau. Buat satu-satu. Copy library. Okay, next. Include the software serial. You must insert it below the, before the void setup. That means you just insert somewhere around here. Or we call it as the initialize your sensor variable. Apa dia? Initialize your sensor variable. And then you insert it. Ini adalah namanya library. Include ni adalah library. Initialize your sensor variable. So my sensor variable will be the PM serial. Okay, susun satu-satu. Jangan lupa susun. Okay, and then initialize object. Initialize variable object ataupun element. Ni sama tak macam original sketch? Jawapannya sama, cuma saya susun. Sebab nanti nak gabungkan dengan variable-variable yang lain. Okay, next. You might want to consider to copy all of this. Okay, copy je semua ni. Ni contoh, saya copy. So, inside the void setup, I'm going to copy it. Okay, lepas tu mana yang tak berkenaan ni, anda boleh buang. Okay, buang je. Okay, after you remove everything, then it's ready to be coupled ataupun boleh digabungkan dengan yang lain-lain. Okay, go to the AQI. Okay, tengok untuk AQI ni ada trik sikit because you need to insert all of this. Anda kena masukkan semua ni. Okay, you need to insert all of this. So I might want to copy this one. And then I might want to display the output ataupun saya punya bacaan. So this is the example of the output. Okay, I insert everything like this. However, usually it is best for you to change the name of the variable with the specific name of the object. Okay, so contoh saya tunjuk dekat bawah ni. I'm going to spell like this. Contoh, dash name of variable. Contohnya saya tulis dekat situ PM1. PM1 is equal to data.pm standard. So I'm going to rename. Ini panggil apa? Kaedah apa ni? Rename. Kaedah rename ini amat bagus untuk anda hantar data nanti kemudian ke dalam internet. This is quite important, especially if you want to send the data to the cloud later on. PM100. Okay, saya tunjuk contoh je. Nanti you all try your best to follow lah. Okay, and then don't forget to change this one also. So it's no longer that one. We change the name. So this one is PM25. And then the next one we change also. This one are going to become a PM100. Nampak tak? Nampak Saya tukar nama je tau. Saya tukar nama je. Okay, and after you change the name, make sure you specify also the variable. So usually we put some definition of variable. Definition of variable. Example, just now we have PM1, betul? Okay, double dot, PM25, double dot, dot comma, and then PM100, dot comma. And all of this must be specified according to their characteristic. This is the integer int, this is the integer int, and then this is the integer int. Okay, after finish, then you can save, and then you can verify. If there is no error, that means you can straight away upload and then see the outcome of the result with regard to our new sketch. Okay, this is how you want to arrange your sketch according to your needs. Saya buat sendiri-sendirilah ini berdasarkan kesukaan saya. So apa yang akan terjadi? It will display the PM1, PM2.5 and PM10. Ya betul. PM1, PM2.5, PM10. So sekarang ni saya sedang upload, verify the sketch. If there is no error, then I will upload accordingly. So when is obviously error, then I can put some delay also. I can just put some delay, and then perhaps it's 500 lah, 500 millisecond. Okay, dah siap. So I want to put another sensor. Sensor yang kedua dinamakan sebagai sensor cahaya. Tengok how you want to combine it. So remember, we got the definition of variable name as PM1, PM10, PM100. Betul? Ini semua adalah particular untuk particulate lah. So I want to insert another one, int also, and then I name it as apa dia? Cahaya apa cahaya? Light. LDR, bagus, LDR. So what is the LDR? LDR are going to be positioned down here. Anda boleh letakkan LDR punya sensor dekat sini. LDR is equal to analog read. Apa analog read dia? Dekat mana? Nombor berapa tadi? 34. Saya just copy saja this statement. Same or not? Same kan? LDR is equal to analog read 34, and then I'm going to print the value. So I'm going to put here as a serial dot print ln followed by the name of the variable, which is the LDR. Dah nampak cantik sikit, saya tulislah something. Value of light, LIGHT, double dot. Okay. This one is double quote. Spacebar a little bit. Okay, done. And then followed by the another one, serial dot print ln. So this one, LDR. Okay, done. And then I can verify, and if there is no error, then I can straight away upload the code. Lepas tu, dia akan ada bacaan particulate, dan dia akan ada bacaan cahaya. Mana? Serial print ln. Serial print ln kena letak bawah, sebab dia akan print line. Dia akan keluar bacaan PM1, PM2.5, PM10. Lepas tu value sensor. Lepas tu dia akan buat line baru. Dia akan keluarkan output seperti itulah. Nanti saya tunjukkan contoh output dia bagaimana. So daripada 5 sensor, 2 sensor je saya tunjukkan sebab nak cepat. Okay, done compiling. So let me just upload the code, and then after that I'm going to help you. Cepat. Keempat nak kena balik dah ni. Library tutup keempat. So we need to be much more faster lah. So mana-mana yang dah confident, dah pasang, boleh datang depan, atau nanti saya datang ke workstation kamu dan kita akan try to combine everything. The first task today that can become your homework so that you can go back early today and then do something is to connect your sensor with your microcontroller, and then make sure that your sensor can be read. Boleh dibaca on your microcontroller, and then please make it sure that all the reading can be shown inside your serial monitor. Boleh dibaca pada serial monitor. Seperti yang saya tunjukkan ini. So let me give you an example. You see mine is done already. I can see the reading of the AQI and also the reading of the light. So if I make changes with regard to the light, and then it will correspond automatically also. Okay, if I increase the light intensity on the sensor, it's also going to be changed accordingly. So bila benda-benda ni dah berlaku, maknanya we done the third step. First step, tengok satu-satu, faham? Second step, sambungkan kepada satu sketch dengan another sketch, and then this is the third step to verify back. Adakah ianya telah bergabung? Jawapan dia telah bergabung. Dah bergabung belum ni? Dah bergabung. So next is we are going to send the data to the clouds. Okay, so saya tulis saja kat sini so that you know the next step is basically send data to cloud. Tolong jangan skip step ni. Kalau you skip, habis. Susah nak buat kerja nanti. Okay, I forgot to tell you another one, which is sebenarnya ada lagi satu sensor tadi, namely as follows, which is the Adafruit AGS yang saya kata sensor gas tadi. Betul tak? So, let me just insert another one to give you the idea. Tengok macam mana nak masukkan another sensor. I just insert the library. Okay, and then followed by another one, initialize. Initialize the name. Just put the initialize the name over here. Okay, tengok baik-baik. Okay, after you initialize the name, serial begin no need, serial print ln no need. This one is if statement with regard to our initialization of the sensor. Yang ini, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan boleh copy lah. Just copy. Okay, after you copy, don't disturb the first one. Just follow it through another component. Dekat sini you boleh letak gas sensor. So it won't disturb the previous one and then also the new one. The things that you copy. Nampak macam complicated, tapi kalau you buat sendiri, hadap satu-satu benda ni, insyaAllah you akan nampak lah apa yang dimaksudkan. Okay, so kat sini gas sensor, dekat atas adalah particulate. Right, done. And then you can see over here the structure of the initialization for the parameter. Okay, unified integer resistant. Ini cara dia panggil cara dia panggil gas itu. So you can copy this one. You can copy first. And then you can straight away put here. Send data to the cloud is actually the last one. So we put another variable here is the gas. Gas sensor. Okay, gas sensor. Put the resistance. Okay, delay is actually going to be shown down here. And then all the serial print ni, serial print ni kalau boleh susun dia dekat bawah sekali. Faham? Sebelum hantar data ke internet. We just put it everything down here. Same also goes to this. Print. Okay lah ni. So I think it is good already. Just compile it. And then send it to the cloud. Send it to the serial monitor. Serahkan bot ini kepada pihak yang lain. Okay, this is the example. Okay, nampak we got the TVOC, we got the value of the particulate, we got the value of the light. And then it's keep repeating, reporting everything. So when you did all this, that's mean halas already. You are going to the second step where we are going to send the data to the cloud. That one we are going to discuss it tomorrow. So kalau tuan-tuan dan puan-puan